Hello guys. So if you're like me that have this problem where you've noticed that your time slider is not moving in real time, this is frustrating because sometimes you can't even tell where it is and it just snaps from one point to the other. Let me show you a very simple way that you can resolve this problem. Right? Go to your preference under the general and just click one button off, which is the GPU accelerated UI. Turn this off, but it will require that you restart your system for you to get it to work. Right? So usually if you have a project, you would like to save that project, exit the program and then come back to the program. So this is going to make the necessary update. And once you turn up your project, you should have that resolved, right? This is something that, this is the problem solver. So I like that you share these videos because I understand that a lot of people don't know that this is a problem, mostly for Premiere Pro 2025. So you just want to share this video to help somebody, and also subscribe to the channel to get more content and solutions like this. Peace and love. Thank you.